Hey man!
Watch out! It's a woodpecker from space! I didn't know the reason why. Still dark outside, but yet a light, and I heard a funny cry. I was jumping out of bed and put my head against the door. By the time I was okay, I heard that funny cry once more. It was a funny looking bird and he stood right before my eyes. With his waist shoot and a laser gun, he was only passing by. I was looking at his face, but he was right in front of me. I was hypnotized by his eyes and he told me where he wants to be. On an incredible funky song. I took him down to the boogie ground.